Good morning, second grade. Ms. Fogelman here for your math lesson today. Let's begin. All right, so today is December the 9th, and we're having an unknowns review today. The learning target will be that the student will complete an unknowns word problem by creating an equation with an unknown. Remember, the unknown is what you are trying to find in the word problem. Just as a reminder, you remember the unknown in the equation can be in one of three places. It can be in the first position, the second, or in the third or the answer position. Our question says, Angela had some money to spend, so she decided to go to the toy store. While there, she spent $8. Then she had $15 in her wallet. How much money did she have before she went to the toy store? So let me grab my pen. All right, so we know that she spent $8 while she was in the toy store, and we know that she left with $15 in her wallet. Well, what don't we know? We don't know how much money she had to begin with, okay? So our unknown is at the beginning of our equation. We don't know that how much money Angela had when she started. We know that while she was there, she spent $8. She spent $8. So we're subtracting $8, and then we're getting what she has left, which is $15. So we need to find out how much she had to begin with. Well, in order to figure out what she had to begin with, we have to put that $8 back into the money that she was left with, okay? Because this is what she was left with after she gave the $8 to the toy store. So I am going to do a number line, and I am going to start at $15. And I'm going to add that $8 back. So I'm going to start with 5 because it's always easier to add the 5. That gives me 20. I still have 3 more because I have to add 8. So that's 23. So she should have started with $23, okay? So if I put that 23 up here, right? Whoop. Now, let me go back, grab my eraser, erase this number line, and I'm going to check my work. Whoop. All right, so if she really did have $23 before she started, we should be able to say 23 minus 8 equals 15. So let's check it. So if I have 23 down here, my pen would work. I should be able to subtract 8. So if I subtract 3 first to get me to that multiple of 10, that gets me to 20. And then I still have 5 more to subtract to get me to have subtracted 8. And then that's 15. So we were correct. She had $23 before she went to the grocery store, to the toy store. All right. Now, let me get my mouse back. Reminders. If you can't decide on an equation, draw the picture first, then make your equation. Then work out the problem to find the answer to the unknown. And then does the answer seem reasonable? Okay, so that's when I went back and I double checked my work to make sure that it was a reasonable answer. Have a good day.